requires brutal choices. Sacrifice is the only path to survival.
Storm point!
A minor setback. This ends now. Five moves ahead. I can't give up. I must save my people.
You know why we're here! It happened! It cannot be stopped!
No, I will succeed. There is no escape. The end of the world is nigh. Full power. The destruction of Exile will be repaid 1,000-fold. I cannot allow. Unexpected. But not critical. You think you can run? I plan for every contingency. Fatal ambition. This is not over yet. Existence is merely energy. I cannot allow you to interfere. Let's see you survive this! Now, you are within my grasp! Do not fail me. Not now! How could this happen? All I've done, all that I sacrificed.